What is technology? In the Bible, it said that God created us in his image. I know that God doesn't have any image. God is spirit, and God is abstract. God is shapeless. There is no image of God. So it's impossible to create the human body in God's image, because God has no body. There is no image of God's body. So, what is technology? Maybe you have a laptop, you have a computer, and maybe you have already realized that your brain is a computer and your physical body is a machine. It's an electric and chemical machine. So what man has done when man created the laptop, the computer, is that man created the computer in his image. All technology that man has created is a duplication, a copy of nature. And if you are afraid of the future because the future is full of technology, if you are afraid of surveillance, if you don't want to be picked up by cameras on the streets, if you don't want people to be able to trace your activities on the internet and so on, you might ask yourself this question: is nature or spirit or the universe able to trace you still if you don't have a computer, if you don't have a smartphone? Maybe there are no private thoughts. Maybe every step that you take in your life is recorded. After all, nature is not wasting its experiences. When nature creates animals and insects and vegetation. Maybe the earth is able to keep a record of how to recreate everything in case of a catastrophe wiping out most of the life that there is on this planet. If nature is keeping a record of all that is created, that is alive, why not everything that you have done in your life, every step that you have taken, everything that you have said and thought about another human being, maybe it's all recorded somewhere. So why be afraid of cameras picking up your movements on the streets? Why be afraid of your smartphone knowing all your moves, where you've been, when in fact nature itself is built the exact same way? Everything that we create of technology already exists in nature.